So hello guys, every time I have one question in my mind when I was at college. They have a deadline coming up and I don't have any idea which kind of project I need to make. So in this video I will tell you 5 project ideas we can make using Python. So guys, our first project idea is a expense tracker, which is we can track personal expenses like day-to-day expenses like food and transportation, and also we can just use this application in GUI. It is very user friendly because we can use two plugins like a PyGUI and also TK in Python. We can make a GUI. So that is my first idea. The second idea is open weather app because we can fetch the real-time weather data using open weather app, and also we can just use a skill as API integrations, and using this app we can get a lot of score because we are using a lot of root process, and also we add a API integration to our application. So this is my second idea, which is open weather app. So my third idea is a quiz game because when we develop a quiz game, they have a lot of loops and also condition. They have a lot of logical thinking. So that will get you a lot of score. So this is my third idea, which is a quiz app. Here is my fourth idea, which is a password manager. So here is my final idea, which is a personal chatbot. So guys, that's all for this video. Today in this video, we talk about the 5 ideas which is we can develop a project using Python. So that's all for this video. So see you guys in the next video. Subscribe and like the video.